Subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updates on leading a less ordinary life. Okay, all right. I welcome all of you once again. And today, once again, we have the young IAF aspirant Neeraj with us, whose PI mock PI was taken, and today we're going to do the mock analysis, the analysis of that personal interview which we have gone through. Right. So, Neeraj, before I quickly go forward and I start immediately your analysis of the interview step by step by going to every single point, I would just like to tell you one thing. So I would going to tell you something as a crux of overall your mindset, your psychological mind, your personality, which I was able to figure out after going with that. So you need to tell me, first of all, after listening to this, which I'm going to tell you as an analysis about you, is it 110% correct? Or
Yes,
it
sir.
is something which you are not aware of, right? And then in the end, I'll going to share with you how I was able to figure it out. And similarly, the IO figure out the same thing when you are in a real-time SSB as well, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So right now, Neeraj, tell me very honestly, what I can see, you as a candidate is potential in every way, but one thing which is really, I would say strongly, आपके माइंड को जो पकड़ी हुई है एक चीज बहुत स्ट्रांगली जिसको माइंड ने जकड़ रखा है वो ये है, किसी भी तरीके कुछ भी हो जाए, बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक, एनीवे you have this very deep insecurity going on कि ये एसएसबी मेरे हाथ से निकल ना जाए.
Yes, sir. 100% right, sir.
Right? 100%?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you need to understand one thing. ये हर किसी को, everyone desires this कि मेरे हाथ से एसएसबी निकल ना जाए. But the problem is your over concern is becoming an insecurity for you. And due to that insecurity, you are developing an unwanted pressure on your mind, due to which you are performing, you are underperforming. So now we'll go with a step-by-step analysis. So you will realize, let me tell you, the whole problem you have done in the interview is just because of this single reason. Otherwise, you have a lot of potential to go through, right? Now, how I was able to pick up this thing, आपके पूरे इंटरव्यू के बेसिस पे मैं इस निष्कर्ष पे 1 मिनट में कैसे पहुंच पाया, तो वो मैं आपको एंड में पूरे एनालिसिस के बाद बताऊंगा. एंड सिमिलरली you would going to be analyzed and you will be scanned like an X-ray machine in the real-time SSB as well, right?
Sure, sir.
Okay, all set. Shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So what I will do here, I will going to play the interview, and wherever required I'll stop it, so that you need to listen it very carefully, and then I'll tell you the blunder you have done, right? So I'm doing a step-by-step analysis as we have been doing earlier for other aspirants too, right? Okay, let's begin.
Sure, sir.
Okay, all right, gentlemen, welcome to the SSB. How are you doing?
Fine, sir.
Okay, wonderful. You can have your seat. How's your overall stay going on in SSB?
My stay is going fine, sir.
Going fine? Okay, very good. Okay. Can you just tell me a little bit about yourself? Can you give me your quick introduction, Neeraj? You, from where you come from, and what's your hometown where you are currently living, and who all are there in your family?
My name is Neeraj Kumar. I'm from district of Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh. I live from a village. In my family, there are 6 members, including 2 my grandparents, 2 my parents, and 1 my twin brother.
Okay, and what's your which is your hometown, Neeraj?
My hometown is village Budhana, close to Skangu, and district Hamirpur.
So you're the very first thing, Neeraj. can you see right now currently the way you are answering your questions? See, right now the overall persona of you as a person is looking like as in something very serious has happened as a problem in with you. मतलब अभी
Yes, sir.
इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हुआ है एंड स्टार्टिंग में यू हैव सो मच प्रेशर एंड द प्रेशर इज गेटिंग रिफ्लेक्टेड फ्रॉम योर फेस द वे यू आर आंसरिंग and the overall body language that you have. See, when you sit in an interview, just sit very calmly and in a very exuberant way. ठीक है ना? There has to be that liveliness. Liveliness एक officer like quality इसलिए नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ कहने के लिए है. Liveliness means कैसा भी situation आ जाए, आप जंग के मैदान में हो, चाहे आप अपने बेस पे हो, चाहे आप किसी भी environment में हो, you are every time feeling lively. So when you are in an interview, be lively. अभी मैंने कोई आप पे गोली थोड़ा ना चलाई है, आप तो पहले से ही सीधा का सीधा ऐसे बैठ गए हो डर के. Just be very relaxed. ठीक है? ये ओवर प्रेशर की वजह से ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी खराब होगी आपकी, राइट? सो शुरुआत से ही बॉडी लैंग्वेज में मेरे को यहीं से मैंने पकड़ लिया आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में कि जो ये बच्चा है, he is very, this candidate is very over pressured, very over pressured. So now what I will do, I will intentionally try to give more pressure on your shoulders just to see, will you be able to cope it up या आप फटोगे? मुझे चेक करना है ना कितना प्रेशर लेने का दम है. Got it? तो आपने अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से खुद ही बता दिया कि जी मेरे को एंजाइटी हो रही है. शुरुआत का 1 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ अभी तो 30 सेकंड्स के अंदर. Right? Let's go forward.
You're staying in your hometown itself?
My hometown, sir.
Okay. And what exactly, like, what population of your city and your state?
City.
Yeah, what's the population of your city and state?
My state population is just about 70 lakh. City is just about 5 to 6 lakhs, sir.
Okay. And how about the population of the place you're residing in?
Nearly 1,000, sir.
Okay. I believe it's quite a small.
So now here a very important thing. So what happened when I asked you this question? Obviously you were calculative in your mind, because you were calculative because in your PIQ which you filled up, in that PIQ form, it was only the place population which you were supposed to write, correct? But I asked you the city and state. The moment I asked you city and state, you got little hijacked. ये मेरे से क्या पूछ लिया? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now the idea is I asked you these things intentionally because in the very first moment you showed me that you are under a pressure. So I thought, let's start making a pressure right from the beginning on the candidate. So when I asked you this question, you were like now more under a pressure. मतलब आपको ये लगा कि भाई मेरे से क्या पूछ लिया अचानक से. Rather than that, you need to understand you will going to get lot of times questions, they are spontaneous. It is those questions are asked in order to check that how you handle the spontaneous questions. Spontaneous questions are just like the bullets coming when you are on the battlefield and you know and you don't know that from where the bullet will come.
Yes.
अगर आप उस बुलेट को ग्रेसफुली नहीं हैंडल करोगे तो वो बुलेट आपके अंदर लग जाएगी आके सीधा. करेक्ट? अभी मैंने आपसे अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा भी, डोंट गेट टेंस्ड. सो ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड होना जरूरी है. So you can internally feel, okay, अच्छा city or state की पूछते हैं. But if that pressure is coming on your face, then there is a problem. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
सोचना दिमाग में गलत बात नहीं है, but वो आपके face पे आ रहा है, body language में आ रहा है. That's a big problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Small place, very less number of people. Okay, so is it a very calm and very, I believe, very close to the nature?
Yes, sir. So actually my house is placed in middle of the forest, sir.
Aye, kya baat hai yaar? You must be enjoying wonderful. Then you are just within the arms of the nature, right?
Yes, sir.
You're Do you like nature?
Yes, sir.
And how about your, what do you feel about city life, metropolitan city life?
Sir, it is also good, sir, but sir, when I went to metropolitan cities, sir, like I'm doing my graduation in Chandigarh, sir, I'm feeling little bit uncomfortable there because, sir, I miss my nature, because the birds and the sound of birds and everything, the nature.
Okay, all right, wonderful, Neeraj. Okay, Neeraj, tell me like what if your mom and dad do? Like, are they working?
Now, just to tell you, if you will see, because I found that you are not able to little handle a pressure, I made it more easily discussion by giving you this console. So you need to understand the mindset of the IO also. तो मैंने जान के आपको comfortable करने के लिए I made it a very easy kind of a comfortable that wonderful you are living in a nature surrounded by nature, correct? ताकि आप थोड़ा सा काम हो जाओ और आप उसके बाद थोड़ा सा काम भी हो गए, आपको लगा कि अरे चलो थोड़ा सा लग रहा है, अब आराम से पूछ रहे हैं. Because I wanted to make you calm and then I wanted to see कि भैया अभी से इतना handle नहीं कर पा रहा, चलो आगे देखते हैं इसको, correct? And after that I asked you a question just to know your opinion about it. In that I would say you handled it nicely, that you took a very neutral opinion. You never give very like or dislike. This is a good thing.
Or if they're working, what they're doing, and do you have any siblings? If yes, then what your siblings are doing?
So my mom is a government teacher. My father is also a government teacher. And my father is a teacher of mathematics and my mother is a teacher of other studies. I have one sibling who is my twin brother. He's also doing BSc from Postgraduate Government College, Sector 11, Chandigarh. We are doing together our graduation in the same college and we are staying in the same hostel.
Okay, all right, wonderful. So you are the one taking care of the younger one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So what do you feel? Are the, in a family, younger ones are on a better privilege or the elder ones get a better privilege?
But I think both get a better.
Both get a better privilege.
Yes, sir.
In what sense you're saying? Because I have been like talking to a lot of chaps. Whenever I talk to them, so elders say like the youngers are always pampered and we are always scolded, and like youngers say elders they always dictate us and they rule us. So you are saying both get. Yeah, I'm meeting the first person who thinks like this.
So eventually sir, my father and mother gave equal importance to me and my brother also, sir. So there we don't have any such kind of things in between us, sir.
Okay, all right, very nice. What is the, tell me one best thing about your brother which you really feel absolutely great, and even though he is younger to you, you still feel like कि ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मैं से, this is one such thing which I can really learn from my younger brother. Because a lot of time elders also can learn a lot of things from the younger ones, no? So what is that one thing which you really feel best about him and you feel like that yes, myself being an elder can really learn from him?
Sir, he is very cooperative, sir.
Okay, all right.
Yes, sir. Sir, when I joined my NDA coaching in my Chandigarh, and we are also doing our BSc. So, sir, I even told him that now you have the responsibility to look after my college also and your college also, and I will provide you the notes of NDA. You should study from there. And now I'm busy in my NDA coaching. So, sir, this way he can help manage the college as well and NDA as well. He can, sir, even study firstly college at first, and when I came back from coaching at night, he said even study my NDA notes. So, sir, therefore he is very cooperative to me, and sir even told me that don't worry, go to NDA, just give your best, and we have to both qualify this time. And sir, that's why we both this time make it happen, sir.
Okay, very nice. So you have proudly cracked your written NDA.
See, now you need to understand. Do you know why I asked this question, Neeraj? मैंने ये सवाल क्यों पूछा था? Can you tell me the reason when I asked you this question, that जब आपने अपने sibling के बारे में बात करी, brother के बारे में, and then I asked you, okay, what is the one great thing about him which you feel you being an elder? तो आपको पता है ये question क्यों पूछा मैंने?
So that we are doing the BSc together and we are staying in the same hostel. So therefore, some kind of qualities.
I was trying to cross check you by tricking you. मैं trick ऐसे करना चाह रहा था. You were with the emotions and the love of your brother, correct? So I wanted
Yes, sir.
to trick you by asking you that, okay, you are a person, you are elder, and your younger brother, as you praised about him. So I wanted to know one thing which is very good in the younger brother, and elder is interested to know, is interested to improve, is interested to learn, correct?
Okay, sir.
Right? In other
Yes,
words,
sir.
मैं ये जानना चाहता था कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो तुम्हारे में खामी है और उसमें अच्छाई है.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
अब मान लो आपने बोल दिया आंसर में कि सर वो बहुत निडर है, ही इज वेरी करेजियस, और मैं वो बहुत निडर है. दैट मीन्स यू वांट टू लर्न दिस थिंग फ्रॉम हिम, व्हिच
Yes, sir.
ऑल्सो मीन्स कि आप डरपोक हो. Are you getting it or not? समझे नहीं समझे?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मैं इनडायरेक्टली आपकी वीकनेस पकड़ना चाहता था,
Yes.
राइट?
Yes, sir.
बट आपने मुझे इनडायरेक्टली वीकनेस ना बताई, बट आपने अपने लिए इस क्वेश्चन में उलझ गए. उलझ कैसे गए? मेरा बड़ा डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन था, कोई एक ऐसी चीज बताओ अपने ब्रदर की जो वो बहुत अच्छा है और यू बीइंग एन एल्डर उससे सीखना चाहते हो. आपने ये तो
Yes,
बोला
sir.
सीखना क्या चाहता हूं, बट आपने कहा वो बहुत कोऑपरेटिव है, और उस बात
Yes,
को
sir.
आपने कोऑपरेशन में निकाल दिया कि हम दोनों ने क्लियर कर लिया. पहली बात which you need to learn, number 1, you didn't answer me to the point. Number 2, you were again not able to handle the question properly. आप क्वेश्चन को फिर हैंडल टू द पॉइंट शूटर स्टाइल, स्नाइपर स्टाइल में नहीं हैंडल कर पाए. एंड नंबर 3, आपके आंसर ने मुझे एक फिर डाउट रेस कर दिया दैट या तो इस कैंडिडेट को ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं हुआ अंडर अ प्रेशर, और दिस कैंडिडेट इज ट्राइंग टू से that my brother is very cooperative and I am not cooperative. And if you are not cooperative, then it is the biggest question mark for me in your selection.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
So the best way to handle such questions is, जब आपसे ऐसा कुछ भी पूछा जाए, you can always tell something as a strength of your brother, sister, a strong friend of yours, which technically is not a mandate for Indian Armed Forces. Like for example, if the same question has been asked by the IO from me, so I could have said, for example, the one very good thing about him is, sir, he is very strong in calculation, and I really appreciate him in calculation. Being an elder, I would love to learn from him. He is very strong in communication skills, and even I am an elder, I'll still would love to learn communication from him. अब आप समझे? अब मैंने
Yes, sir. Yes.
टू द पॉइंट आंसर दे दिया जो आयोग का क्वेश्चन था. टू द पॉइंट आंसर देने के साथ साथ मैंने ये भी बता दिया कि आपके क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से स्ट्रेंथ क्या है ब्रदर की एंड मेरी वीकनेस क्या है, और जो मेरी वीकनेस है दैट इज नॉट नेगेटिविटी टुवर्ड्स यू. इज दैट करेक्ट?
Yes, sir. All right, sir.
गॉट इट? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. So, is it like, are you coming for the very first time from NDA, or you tried earlier through NDA, like written exam also?
Sir, I tried 4 times earlier, but I failed 4 times consecutively. But sir,
Why?
my fifth. Yes, sir.
Why did you fail 4 times?
Sir, even sir, when I joined Sivan sir, up to my.
ये अब आपने टू द पॉइंट जो आंसर नहीं दिया था ना, you yourself has created a problem for you. I never asked you about NDA. You just somehow brought NDA in between. My question was never about NDA, right?
Yes, sir.
But you brought in. Now you have brought in, so now I will not going to leave you. I'm going to scrutinize you, right?
Yes, my 10th class, I don't even know about NDA. That what is NDA? But sir, when I got shifted from DAV to Hime Academy School, which is located in our city, Hamirpur. So sir, at that time, lot of officers from Army, Navy, and Air Force came.
इस पॉइंट को याद रखना. आप 649 पे आपने क्या बोला है? You have said that till 10th I didn't know anything about NDA, correct? इस पॉइंट को लिख करके याद रखना. I'll tell you how you were caught later on.
So they told about the NDA or CDS about armed forces. So therefore, I came to know about the forces that that NDA is there, CDS is there. Therefore, I started my preparation. But sir, my base is not so good as I'm from a village, and so therefore, sir, I started preparation there. And sir, even when I gave my first attempt, I think I don't able to score more than 250 marks even. So sir, even I started preparation, but sir, due to the pressure of 12th class in our, that is the board class, a lot of pressure from our parents that we have to score nice this time. So sir, I can't able to prepare NDA and my board simultaneously. But sir, when I joined the college in Chandigarh, postgraduate government college sector 11, so sir, and I joined my hostel. So I found number of aspirants who are preparing for the NDA and even for CDS. So sir, even they told me that college is not about just to getting 90% or 95% that you did in your 11th or 12th class. It's just up to, if you get 70 or 75, that is more than enough marks in college.
So,
sir,
my question is okay, that's very nice, wonderful, Neeraj. But like if I need to ask you, please tell me very quickly.
Now again, why I stopped you, Neeraj? Due to the pressure, you are losing your attention. Again, you are answering something off track, not to the point. And when I thought that you are keep on speaking, I intervened you. Now the problem is, first of all, you didn't answer to the point. Secondly, I was able to see why this gentleman is not able to answer to the point. He is getting into the pressure. Thirdly, जितना आप off track जा रहे हो, उतनी ज़्यादा आप अपने लिए problem create करती जाओगे.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Precisely. What happened like 4 times you failed and then you cleared? So what do you think that what was the reason you were not able to do in 4 times, and what happened as a new that you were able to do 5th time? Yes. What was that reason?
Even sir, during my 11th and 12th class, I was in HP board, Himachal Pradesh Board of School Education, Dharamshala. So generally in HP board, sir, questions came directly from NCERT book. And sir, in NDA examination, sir, you have if your base is strong, if your concepts are clear, then you don't have any problem. So sir, I think my somewhat concepts are not good. Therefore, sir, I joined a coaching, and sir, the teacher I met there, which is even 6 times CDS clear, IIT clear, GATE clear, and sir, he so grilled me very well. And after that, sir, by his teachings, by his learnings, and by proper practice, sir, because what matters in competitive, your speed and accuracy matters. So sir, I developed my speed and accuracy. And sir, in my 5th attempt and last attempt, sir, I attempted more than 15 mock tests for NDA examination. 15 mock tests, more than 15 mock tests. So therefore, I'm able to qualify in my 5th attempt. Sir.
Very nice, wonderful. Okay, Neeraj, please tell me quickly about like.
अब नीरज, मैंने आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा. See, question was so direct that what was missing in 3 attempts, 4 attempts, and what was new due to which you were able to clear in your last attempt, correct? This could have been answered, whatever you have said, in a more precise and a better way, rather than आपने फिर उसको storytelling कहाँ से कहाँ शुरू कर दी. Don't get into storytelling. Be clear cut. When I asked this, what you have rightly answered in your answer, you could have simply said, the only one thing due to which I have certainly been able to do in the 5th attempt and I was not able to do in the 4th attempt was grilling myself for the rigorous practice. In all my 4 attempts, sir, I was not able to do that much practice. And in my 5th attempt, I was able to do it very rigorously. And the second reason why I was able to do it very rigorously, because of the right mentorship, which I didn't get earlier. And I was very fortunate to get that mentorship. I did that all grilling, and finally the result is I got it. Bas, that's all. अब आपने story कर दी, when I was in my 11th, when I was doing this. Why you are telling these stories? What is the point of these stories?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Very clear cut. अब आप जब उसको clear बोलोगे तो उसमें आपकी dedication दिखती है. दिखता है कि that yes, you are a person who do self introspection. You were able to figure it out. Don't say I think. What is I think? I think means तुम्हारे को श्योर नहीं है, तुक्का लग गया तुम्हारा. आपने क्या बोला? I think that in my last attempts. यानी कि you are still thinking, आपके तुक्के से हो गए. Be very clear cut यार. Sure. Last time this is missing and this is something I had. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go forward.
About your education, right from your 10th class till your you are, as you rightly said, you're in college, so you're doing some course. So tell me from 10th till now, whatever things you have been doing and how you have been performing, what all things, like how much you have been securing, and do you have some extraordinary achievements in your academics while doing it? So please just tell me about that.
So I did my 10th class from DV Kangu, which is located in our village, and I got 9.8 CGPA, which is cumulative grade average point. And sir, if I convert this CGPA into percentage, it is just about 93.1% in my 10th.
Okay, so you really like in your 10
for mathematics, then we have to solve any type of question. Attended one NSS camp, which is on the theme of personal hygiene and sanitary. 0.1% in my 10th class. And sir, after that, I got shifted from DAV to HUME Academy.
Tell me one thing. You just simply tell your percentage. Why you are telling the calculation of CGPA to percentage? Who asked you to tell this calculation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the point of telling this? This is my CGPA, and when we calculate CGPA, and then you are saying it is just 93. What is this just 93? Be very direct, yaar. Don't do those left and right turns. घुमाने वाले काम मत करो.
In the city, in my class, I opted the non-medical stream. I got 92%. Then even sir, in my 11th class, I just lacking in my English language because I just even score out of 100 marks in my English language. And sir, after in my 12th class, I got 93.4% in my board examination. And sir, during my 12th class, I scored in the science quiz competition, and I got second prize for it. And even my 12th class, I attended one NSS camp, which is on the theme of personal hygiene and sanitization.
Very good, Neeraj. So that means you have been very good in your academics. Right, good. And which all subjects you really like in your 10th and 10 plus 2? Which were the subjects which you really feel like you're very good at?
Okay, sir. I'm really, sir, feels mathematics is one of the favorite subjects. Sir, my father is a mathematics teacher. Sir, mathematics, I find it is quite interesting and quite logical, because we need not to learn mathematics. If
Did I ask you which is your favorite subject and why it is your favorite subject? Did I ask you why? Why you are telling me why? Who told you to tell me the why? भावनाओं में बह के मत काम करो.
We have a concept clarity of our mathematics, then we have to solve any type of questions. So, sir, I like mathematics.
Very good, wonderful. So, but one thing which is a big question here is, Neeraj, as you rightly said that 4 times you were not able to go through, you were not able to crack, and 5th time you were able to do it, and you said because the reason was my concepts was not clear earlier. But yeah, how come your concepts was not clear, but still you were able to secure more than 90% in your 10th and 12th? That sounds a little strange.
Yes, sir. Sir, in my 10th and 12th class, the teachers are saying that you have to just study only these questions, and these questions directly came in our board examinations. We need not to study from outer books. But sir, in ND examination, your whole syllabus came. Even the syllabus of ICSE board.
Now look here, what you have done. पहले आपने जो इतना ऑफ ट्रैक बोला उसकी वजह से आप यहाँ फंसे कॉन्सेप्ट्स को लेकर के. And now the biggest blunder you have done, you have put up a blame on your teachers now, on your school teachers. You are not able to do it. Now you are saying it is not my problem. It is the problem of my school teachers. They were the biggest problem. Now this has started creating a big problem for you. From here, I would like to check your authenticity also. How much authentic you are as a person. Now I'll grill you on that.
Has also been came in NDA examination. And sir, in our board examination, your speed doesn't matter, your accuracy matter, because we have a lot of time to solve such type of questions. And sir, but in NDA you just only 2.5 hours and just even a game of 120 questions. So sir, even sir, my speed is also not good. So therefore, when I joined my NDA coaching, so sir, I increase my speed and just I increase my accuracy. And sir, due to this, that questions come directly from book. My some concepts are so weak that I can't able to solve this type of questions, sir.
Okay, wonderful, very good.
Now, this should have been your direct answer, which would have actually given a backup verification for your earlier answer. You could have simply said, sir, in CBSE board, comparing it with the NDA written exam, the kind of time pressure, time management that has to be done is way different. And in my board exams, it was so easy. And in my NDA, I was not able to do that time management. And for that only, I required that grilling, which certainly when I did, and I was able to do it in the 5th attempt. तो आपकी जो पुरानी वाली बात थी वो वैलिडेट हो गई ना इस वाले रीजन से.
Yes, sir.
और आपने उससे पहले स्टोरीज जो बनाई उस स्टोरीज में आप फंसते चले गए. Be precise to the point. Don't go left and right. The more pressure you will take, आपको यही नहीं पता लगेगा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. Why this is happening with you? Because you are in so much pressure that what you are saying, you yourself don't know that what you are saying. बहुत सारी चीजें तो आपको बिना unconsciously आपके मुंह से निकलती जा रही हैं.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, yes.
Okay, tell me, Neeraj, I have been just going quickly through your PIQ form. In your PIQ form, while mentioning about your parents, their occupation, education, and their income, you have written about your father, your mother, and then you have written something about your guardian also. Who is the guardian apart from father and mother you have?
Father, sir.
So then why you have written like twice? You have mentioned it twice. You have mentioned about your father also. You have mentioned about guardian also. You have mentioned it twice.
Even I asked from someone, sir, and sir, he told me that your guardian is your father and mother who guards you even.
Okay. But you wrote it about them. So you wrote it again, I believe.
Sir, I wrote it.
अभी मैं चाहता तो मैं यहाँ पर आपको पूरी आपकी हालत ऐसी कर देता कि आप यहीं से रोना स्टार्ट कर देते इंटरव्यू में. लिटरली आप रोना स्टार्ट कर देते. बट मैंने आपको थोड़ा काम डाउन कर दिया. बट द आइडिया इज प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड यार, व्हेन यू आर ऑन द प्रोसेस, आप PIQ फॉर्म को समझ लीजिए. इट्स अ बेसिक थिंग. आई बिलीव यू डोंट नो इट. प्लीज टेक इट नाउ. दिस डोंट डू दिस एरर. Guardian is anyone who guards you, correct?
Yes,
When
sir.
mother and father is there, so he will guard you, na?
Yes, sir.
In case mother and father are not there or they are not alive, then who will be your guardian? That is called as someone else. But if mother and father is there, there is no need to write any other guardian. They are your guardian only, if you have written about them.
Sure, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Again, sir.
And don't do this mistake of blaming others. Someone told me. Don't do this.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow, if you will lose a battle, you will say someone told me. It's not like this. If you are planning to become an officer, have the courage to take the responsibility on your shoulders. Don't blame others. You can simply said, you could have simply said, sir, I beg your pardon. I just wrote it by mistake. I wrote it one time extra in guardian also, but I wanted to say only father and mother. As simple as that. Don't try to go left and right. And if by any chance you have done any mistake, don't take any extra pressure on your shoulders. यार मेरे से ये क्या हो गया, मेरा तो सारा काम खराब हो गया. Don't start thinking like this. This is the biggest problem happens. You do a simple mistake and IO tricks you. You start thinking in your mind कि भैया ये तो सारा काम खराब हो गया. And from there you get into the decline phase. A mistake has
Yes, sir.
happened. Don't overthink it or don't get into the decline phase.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Neeraj. Looking, you are a very working with a very focus, going with your studies. Very good. I have a very quick question for you. Let's see. So tell me, you have. So question is very simple. You tell me which one is more heavy. 1 kg iron nails, 1 kg cotton. Which one is more heavy? 1 kg,
Sir,
1 kg cotton.
sir, 1 kg iron nails, sir.
Sure?
हाँ जी. अब बताइए इसका आंसर क्या आंसर है. बोलो आंसर बोलो. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Sir, equal, sir, equal. 1 kg, 1 kg. Yes, sir.
See what you have said. And then you have said mathematics is my best subject. ये आपने mathematics बोला था इसलिए आपसे सवाल पूछा 2 मिनट बाद मैंने ट्रिक करा जो. दोनों 1 kg है यार. It's a basic common sense. I'm just trying to check and you said mathematics is my best subject.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I believe you really need to go with your mathematics then, if it's sure. Chalo. Anyways, okay. Neeraj, now tell me quickly about your, what's your height here in, tell me your height in centimeters and in foot.
Yes, sir. My height is 172 centimeters, sir.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. And sir, it is 5 feet 9 inches, sir.
Okay, 172 centimeters. Okay. And can you tell me, Neeraj, in 1 inch, how many foot is there? In 1 inch, how many feet is there?
In 1 inch, how many feet?
Yes.
Sorry, sir. I don't know.
Okay. And in 1 meter, how many centimeters are there?
ये सवाल
100 centimeters, sir.
100 centimeters?
ये सवाल क्यों पूछा गया था? You said I am very good in mathematics.
Yes,
It was a
sir.
simple calculation asked from you. Always remember when you are going, must know these basic calculation which you write in weight and in height. You must know conversion from kg to pound, pound to kg, grams, right? LBS.
Yes, sir.
And in height, inch to inch, foot, meter, centimeter. You must know these conversions. And when you have said that mathematics is my best subject, then it is a, like I am expecting as an IO that you will going to answer it at any cost.
Yes.
Okay. And in 1 feet, how many inches are there?
It is 13, sir.
13?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
हाँ जी. कितने होते हैं?
12, sir, 12.
मैथमेटिक्स है स्ट्रांग तुम्हारी. देख लो, तुमने कहा था मैथमेटिक्स इज माय बेस्ट. चलो.
I'm not sure, sir, but I read somewhere, sir, in my childhood, sir. It is 13 or 12, sir, something.
You read it in childhood. So I think you didn't get any question.
देखो आपने क्या मिस्टेक करी. दोबारा कह रहे हो आई रेड इट इन चाइल्डहुड. NDA written exam is full. Major one part is mathematics, and you are saying I studied in childhood. See what you are saying. It shows you do not have the presence of mind and the common sense when you are talking. It shows how much pressure you have been going with at that time. You're not even able to cope up the pressure and cannot even answer the basic things. जी नीरज,
Yes, sir.
राइट, वो बीच में लग रहा है कनेक्शन गॉट ब्रोक, राइट. चलिए, लेट्स गो बैक. ठीक है, क्लियर एज ऑफ नाउ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's proceed forward.
Related to this in your NDA, because as you said, you did it in childhood only.
Yes, sir.
Nevertheless, okay, Neeraj, tell me, do you play any sports?
Sir, I even sir, don't play any sports in my school time. But sir, even during my childhood and even in my home, so I usually play badminton and gully cricket, sir, in my village friends. And
Okay, all right, good, very good. So that means
Now, one thing I believe, Neeraj, if you have done sincerely interview success blueprint transformation module of SSB recommendation journey, I told there very clearly
Yes, sir.
that if you don't even play sports, prepare one sports. I have said it in
Yes,
the
sir.
clearly. So even
Yes,
when I
sir.
have said it very clearly, then why didn't you do it? आपको prepare करके रखना चाहिए ना एक before your PI.
Yes, sir.
In the interview success module, I'm sure you have missed out something. Go again and watch it. In the beginning, before the decoding of the PI of the repeater and the fresher, I have very clearly said it while filling up the PIQ form that if you are not in any sport, still have one sport. Very important.
Yes, sir.
And prepare that sport. जिस sport को आपने मजाक में खेला है उसी को कर लो. Rather than saying,
Yes,
I
sir.
do not play any sport, but in my childhood I was playing gully cricket. Don't do like this.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Every children, every student, every person, they play sport in their childhood. ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि उन्होंने कोई खेल ना खेला हो?
Yes, sir.
But don't make it like this that I didn't play it and don't give this projection. Now, आपने इस projection को इस तरीके से दिया. Now see, I asked you something and again you got into a trap. आपने फिर एक और बहुत बड़ी blunder करी है.
in school, otherwise you have not been playing any sports as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So what is the reason? Like, kids are very involved here, and you are a kid who comes from you are a chap who comes from a forest land, absolutely within the nature. So they are all involved in all the, I would say, outdoor sports. How come you have never been playing any sport?
Sir, because in my DAV school, sir, so when teachers gave more focus on studies, and sir, they always saying that you just need to study. And sir, even
Again, third time, given a blame on the other people, given a blame for your school, that I was not able to play sport because again for that school is responsible. That is okay. I can consider your point that in your school might be sports is not what really, but don't do such projections in PI. That shows your attitude that you are not an attitude of a progressive mindset and a leader. You are more of blaming others. What is this point? घर आके खेल लेते स्पोर्ट्स यार. अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स में रुचि थी, आप स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी ज्वाइन कर लेते. There could be a lot of things. Don't blame others.
yes, sir.
And whichever sport you have been playing in house, prepare one sport and write one. There is no need to write two. There is no need to write extra achievements, but at least write one sport and you must know about it properly.
Okay, sir. Even sir, if someone wants to ask the teachers kindly assign a sports period, sir, even they refused. So sir, just it's all about the study school. That they don't give a focus on their extra curricular activities, sir. So even sir, when I joined the Him Academy school, sir, I found there many opportunities and I participated in many events like science quizzes and like other things, sir.
Okay, so that means you were interested.
आपने देखो अपने पॉइंट को काउंटर चेक कर दिया. You said when I joined Him Academy, they gave lot of opportunities. Correct? When they gave you lot of opportunities, then also you didn't take any name of the sport. You took the name of science quiz. Correct?
Yes, sir.
which means even when you got the opportunity, then also you didn't play the sport. That means you yourself was not interested to play the sport, but earlier you blamed your DAV school for not playing it.
Yes, sir.
That shows you are not the right person. It gives you a very, it gives a very negative imprint of yours. Getting it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't counter interject yourself.
To play, but certainly, unfortunately, you got a school where academics was more important.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, no problem. Okay, Neeraj, tell me quickly about your hobbies, your interest, which you prefer.
My hobbies is, sir, cycling, sir. And sir, it is traveling. And sir, interest is making of new friends and maintaining daily diary, sir.
Okay, very good. So, like meeting new friends. What really motivates to meet new friends and new people, to make new friends? That's an interesting
Yes.
hobby.
Yes, sir. Sir, even sir, when I went for my 2 SSBs, so sir, I even met a lot of friends there, and even I take their phone numbers, and for my
देखो मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा, आप आंसर कुछ भी दे रहे हो. मैंने पूछा व्हाट मोटिवेटेड यू टू मेक न्यू पीपल एज फ्रेंड्स. आपको क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया या आप उसको पकड़ नहीं पाए, तो यू आर टेलिंग मी अबाउट आपने अपने एसएसबी में और फ्रेंड्स बनाए थे. आई हैव नॉट इवन आस्क्ड यू. अब इससे आपने मुझे क्या बता दिया पता है? मेरे सवाल पूछने से पहले ही बता दिया कि आप रिपीटर हो.
yes.
I have not even asked you, and you yourself have said that you are a repeater. I am asking you what motivated you. And in case if you didn't understand the question, you could have simply said, I'm sorry, sir, can you please repeat? I didn't get you. Simple. Rather than answering anything.
Test for my first interview, that was in Bhopal, and my second as well, that was in Bhopal also. And so when I joined the college and I joined the hostel of my college, so a lot of chaps from different states like South India, like North India, like East India, like Sikkim. So sir, I found it really great to know about their culture, to know about their region, to know about how they are living. So that's why, sir.
Okay, all right. So cycling, like.
अब देखो मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा, आपने मुझे कोई प्रिसाइज आंसर नहीं दिया, उसका बड़ा हेवे आंसर दिया. मैंने आपसे पूछा व्हाई यू, व्हाट मोटिवेट्स यू. You could have simply said, because right from the beginning when I have been into hostel, I have those friends which are come from various diversities of the India, from different parts of the country, and being with them made me so, and I'm so adaptable. अब देखो आप इस क्वेश्चन को बड़े स्मार्टली एड्रेस कर रहे हैं. You could have indirectly showcased your non-uniform officer, your officer-like quality, which you didn't do. You could have simply said, sir, I am a very adaptable person, and right from the beginning, I have been into hostel and doing my things at my own, meeting new people. And in my hostel, there were all my friends who come from various parts of the nation, and I was having huge diversity, and still we have that unity together. So that is why meeting new people, I am always okay, and I always welcome them because I am very adaptable. अब आप indirectly अपनी positive aspect दिखा सकते थे ना, बट क्वेश्चन को एड्रेस कैसे करना है वो आपको नहीं आया, आपने उस क्वेश्चन को उल्टा और उलझा दिया.
How often you do cycling and traveling?
So traveling, sir, a little bit I do not find any time for traveling, but sir, after my NDA examination, I am feeling a little bit secure that this time I means cracked my NDA examination. So sir, I went to Rodu, Shimla.
आपने लिखी हुई है ट्रैवलिंग को हॉबी और इंटरेस्ट. जब मैंने पूछा ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में तो आप कह रहे हो मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला, बस अभी एनडीए के बाद मुझे एक बार ही मिला. जब आपको टाइम ही नहीं मिला, then why you are writing this as a hobby or an interest? What is a hobby? Hobby is something which you do into a free time. जब आपने उसको ज्यादा करा ही नहीं है, then why you are writing it?
My father's for some kind of enjoyment. And sir, I gave an examination at Patna. Sir, I'm very fond of traveling, but sir, in my childhood, I never find any time for my traveling, as my mother, fathers are common teachers. My just grandfather and grandparents they are doing agriculture. So sir,
Okay, as you rightly said that cycling, traveling is something you have. Okay, you have one more good hobby, planting trees as well. So when is the last time when you planted trees?
during sir last when I was in 10th class, sir, I usually plant trees with my grandfather and sir.
3 साल पहले तुम कुछ करते थे और उसको बता रहे हो अपना इंटरेस्ट और हॉबी। फिर तुम 5th क्लास में जो करते थे वो भी लिख दो, मैं ये करता था 5th क्लास में। See, don't write just things for the heck of it. I have said very clearly, I believe Neeraj, you have missed out. You must go forward and watch Interview Success Blueprint again. I told clearly, please understand, in hobbies and interest, write maximum 2 or 3 hobbies, but those should really be the hobbies and interests which you live it. Don't write just for the heck of it. Brag karne ke liye mat likho. And write those for which you really can say, can speak from heart, can speak very clearly. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
write only 1. There is no need to write 3.
Yes, sir. A lot of trees I have planted with my grandfathers, like sir, mango trees, peach trees, and lemon trees.
That's the last time you planted.
The last time, sir, last 2 years back.
मैंने आपसे सिंपल पूछा कब करे थे, अब तुम मेरे को बता रहे हो मैंने आम के पेड़ लगाए थे, मैंने उसके पेड़ लगाए थे। मुझे क्या करना है, किसके पेड़ लगाए थे? जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है उसको प्रिसाइज आंसर करो ना।
Planted the trees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. What is your opinion on the fact, Neeraj, if I ask, there have lot of campaigns going on, save paper campaign, don't cut trees, right? But the way the digitalization is going, the globalization is going, and the way the economies are building up, we need a lot of resources, right? And in order to get those resources without cutting trees, a lot of people feel, and a lot of people have given a strong valid point that without cutting trees, you cannot make it happen. Whereas there are a lot of other people who feel that cutting trees is not the right choice. So what's your opinion on this? Because you were very much into planting trees. So what's your opinion?
I think, sir, we need a balance between this modern world and this nature, sir. So because if we destroy our nature, then definitely nature will give us response. As we saw in this rainy season, a lot of floods are occurring. A lot of times, a lot of floods. So a lot of mountains they keep on busting the houses of man. So, sir, we need to take care in our mind that if we side by side continuously going to destroy the nature, then the nature will also give a very high response. So because it is Newton's third law, to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So sir, I think if we cut 1 tree, then we should have at least plant 10 trees. Because sir, if we're going to cut trees simultaneously, and there is a cause of global warming and climate change actions. In these times, climate is changing now. Because due to the advancement of modern technology, a lot of trees are being cutting down. A lot of villages, natures, and forests are cutting down for just maintaining the factories to raise the economic growth. So it is also important, but sir, preserving the nature is the most important thing because it provides us everything. It maintains the ecological balance of our earth. And so therefore, due to the...
So what's your call? We should...
Your answer was perfectly fine. This question you have addressed very nicely and perfect answer. Only problem is why you are speaking too much here. Just ask you this question, say this much, that's it. That's it. Otherwise,
we should not cut trees.
So I think if we should cut 1 tree, then we should have at least plant 10 trees, sir.
Okay, very well. Well said. Okay, Neeraj, tell me, like, these are like you have told me about hobbies. If I ask you, tell me that one thing which you really feel like don't doing at all. Matlab, everyone has certain things which we never feel like doing. What is that one thing which you never want to do in your life?
I can't get you, sir. Please repeat the question, sir.
Okay, my question is, you have told about a lot of your hobbies and interest, right? And I really find them, you are a person who's involved in many things and very good. You are doing so many things. But tell me that one thing which you really don't feel like doing at all. Matlab, you feel like, yeah, I don't want to do it because this is something I don't like at all. I don't want to get into this thing. What is that one thing, if I ask you, which can never become your area of interest, or you feel that this can never be my hobby, or I will never prefer to do this? What is that one thing, if I ask you?
Sir, I can't be able to.
कोई एक ऐसी चीज बताइए नीरज, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि आपकी बहुत सारी हॉबीज हैं, कोई एक ऐसी चीज।
अब देखो, मैंने क्वेश्चन जो है, आई हैव नॉट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन समथिंग अ टिपिकल क्वेश्चन नीरज. I have asked a very simple question. Only problem is why you are not able to collect with the question, because due to so much pressure, आपका presence of mind ही नहीं है इंटरव्यू में.
Yes, sir.
सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछा है, बट आप क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज ही नहीं कर पा रहे कि मैं सवाल क्या पूछ रहा हूँ, और आपका माइंड इधर उधर. यू आर नॉट इन द इंटरव्यू. दिस इज, if you are not 100% attentive within the interview, you are going to be absolutely negative. And this shows your casual behavior.
चीज बताइए जो आपको लगता है कि मतलब आप कभी भी इसको हॉबी नहीं बनाना चाहेंगे, ये जिंदगी में आपका कभी इंटरेस्ट नहीं बन सकता, और मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहूंगा.
Okay, sir.
कोई एक ऐसी चीज बताइए, सिर्फ एक, ओनली वन.
It is, sir, politics, sir.
Politics.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, I have no interest in politics, sir. Zero interest.
No interest in politics, as in you don't want to talk about politics also?
Yes, sir.
But tell me one thing, young man, if you run away from politics, how you are going to take the call on the safeguarding the nation's security? And safeguarding the nation's security does not go without the politics. The government hindrance has to be there. How you can take a lead without understanding or without not getting into politics?
So I think, sir, this time, sir, in this student life, sir, politics, sir, means no interest in politics. And sir, if I think so, then sir, there are a lot of even IAS officers, lot of some officers.
अब देखो, पता नहीं आपने क्या आंसर करा, समझ आया? कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया, आप पूरे कंफ्यूज चल रहे हो, ब्लैंक. अब देखो, इतना सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, ओवर प्रेशर की वजह से आप अंडर परफॉर्म कर गए, आपको क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आया. सिंपल क्वेश्चन आपने मेरे से एक बार पूछा आइडेंटिटी, उसके बाद भी समझ नहीं आया, और ना समझ आने के बाद आप क्या गलती कर रहे हो, आप आंसर कर रहे हो. See, when I ask you something or I ask you something, that does not mean that has to be an answer. When I asked you कोई ऐसी चीज जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, the idea why I am asking you this question is because I want to know your likes and dislike. मैं likes और dislike जानना चाहता हूँ. Correct? You could have simply said, sir, the things which I have mentioned, these are my strong areas of interest and hobbies. But otherwise, there is nothing which I do not like. I do not have any specific like or dislike. I am very neutral about anything which comes my way. But things which I have mentioned, those are my specific interest area. That's it. जरूरी थोड़ा ना उसमें कुछ होनी ही चाहिए. मैं तो पूछ रहा हूँ, कोई ऐसी चीज है क्या? आप उसको स्मार्टली मना कर दो कि सर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Earlier, sir, I am thinking that whenever I ask us any question, we have to answer it anyway.
No. That's what I'm saying ना. अभी कितनी बारी होता है आपके इंट्रूडर्स जो होते हैं, आप रिटेलिएट नहीं करते, आपको पीछे होना पड़ता है. बेस से होना पड़ता नहीं होना पड़ता? समय की ताकत को देख के पीछे होना पड़ता नहीं होना पड़ता?
Yes, sir.
आप कहोगे नहीं तो मैं तो गोली मारूंगा ही मारूंगा. इसे समझदारी नहीं कहते. जोश के साथ होश नहीं खोना. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Tell me, Neeraj, about something about the co-curricular. If you have been involved and if you have some extra achievements in your co-curricular activities.
Sir, during my 12th class, I won the second prize of science quiz competition. And sir, also I got a certificate of NSS camp, which is based on personal hygiene and sanitization, sir.
Okay, very good. And the science camp was related to which thing? Like what was there in the science quiz?
Science, sir, it was a quiz and it was based on it was on ozone day quiz. A lot of questions from science asked from us. Actually, sir, in our school, they were divide us into groups, into two groups, so that we are 2 person in a groups. And so therefore, there is a lot of selection criteria for the groups, and therefore, sir, I got selected from my.
मैंने आपसे पूछा कि उस क्विज का क्या सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया, कौन सिलेक्ट हुआ, कैसे, आप क्यों अननेसेसरी बता रहे हो नीरज? I just simply asked you what was there in the science quiz. You tell me what was there in science quiz. Okay. And now let me tell you one more thing. Do remember that whatever you are writing, you must have a strong grip on it. Science quiz पे मैंने आपको रगड़ा नहीं because आप पहले ही रगड़ चुके थे. Otherwise, you could have also be grilled on science quiz by asking basic, simple science principle. So if you are writing science quiz, you must know you are able to answer those questions.
Yes.
Otherwise, don't write anything which you cannot answer. You might get into a trouble again. Right?
My class, and after that, sir, we have a competition, and sir, we got the second prize, sir.
Okay, so that was a general science quiz.
Yes, sir. General science quiz.
The general science quiz.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have an inclination towards science, Neeraj? Do you like science?
Somewhat, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Tell me one thing, Neeraj. You must have seen a sparrow sitting on the main electricity line, which is going in front of your house. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Tell me, how come a sparrow sitting on the naked electricity wire and she does not get a shock?
Okay, sir. So because, sir, on this wire, sir, I think sir, alternating sir, voltage is running, sir. It is not the current, sir.
Okay, so alternate voltage.
There are different transformers which convert voltage into current and current into voltage, sir.
Transformer converts current into voltage.
देख लो, you are a non-medical student. You are a second prize winner in science quiz, and you are scoring very good 90% plus in your academics. And this is your overall result. ये तो वही वाली बात हो गई, मुझे सर्टिफिकेट मिला है बेस्ट शूटर का, मुझे एक एक गन के बारे में पता है, एक एक बुलेट के बारे में पता है, और जब बुलेट चलाने की बात आई तो निशाना तो दूर की बात है, पकड़नी भी नहीं आती थी. Say that much which you can really say. Don't write loose, you will get into a problem. मैं इतना स्ट्रिक्टली बोल रहा हूँ इंटरव्यू सक्सेस ब्लूप्रिंट में, आप लोग उसको ध्यान से क्यों नहीं समझ रहे हो?
Or voltage into current. Transformer.
No, sir. So even the transformer converts high voltage into low voltage and low voltage into high voltage, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Then tell me why actually that particular.
And just because of being into pressure, देख रहे हो क्या बोल रहे हो ट्रांसफार्मर को, बाद में उसको बोल रहे हो.
Sparrow sitting on the naked wire, she doesn't get the shock.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay, no problem.
And one more thing, if you are 100% clear on something and very sure, and if IO asks you twice, sun rises from east, कोई कितनी बारी भी पूछेगा वो east ही रहेगा. तो अगर आपने सच में बिल्कुल सही बोला और पता है ना, तो just stand by it. आपने अगर तुक्का मारा तो obviously आप फंस जाओगे. So better don't apply your tukkas, don't apply your assumptions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neeraj, I believe you have gone for the SSB. Is that correct? You have appeared for SSB earlier as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to see, young man. So tell me about your all the details. How many times you have gone for repetition, and what was the result at that time? And what do you feel that what was the reason that why you were not able to get recommended that particular time whenever you have appeared?
Sir, I gave 2 SSB attempts, sir, and I was 2 times screen out, sir. The first SSB I gave in SSB Kapurthala and in 31 SSB, and second SSB is on my SSB Bhopal. Both are from technical entry scheme and from 21 SSB, sir. Sir, I think, sir, during when I joined the college, so sir, my communication skills is not so good, sir. I even, sir, my English is also not so good. So, sir, after that, that's the main reason for getting my 2 times, sir.
Okay, so what do you
आप जब आंसर दे रहे हो अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज देख रहे हो, ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे आंसर जो बोल रहे हो उस पर भी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो, कुछ भी बोल दिया. कितना प्रेशर चल रहा है, फटने को हो रहे हो पूरे तुम, प्रेशर कुकर की तरह.
feel this time when you are in SSB? Recommended? Have you been able to? Do you feel that you have been able to done with that English?
Yes, sir. So I think I'm doing more efforts on my English. When I joined my college hostel, well, there are a lot of defense aspirants who also prepared for NDA, CDS, and other entries. So, sir, there are a lot of chaps from MCC I met over there. Sir, we make a plan over there that whenever we met in our college or in our hostel or in our market, so we need to speak in English. And sir, in this lockdown period as well, sir, there is a one colonel retired in my village. So, sir, I daily went there, and we have a communication in English over one hour, sir. So, sir, and even I used to spoke English.
Have I asked you the question that how did you improve on English? Why you are telling me? Why you are telling me how did you improve?
With my somewhat parents now and my brother also. So, sir, I think this will also improve my English language. And when my friend called me, then, sir, we only communicate in English, sir.
Okay, all right. And what I can say,
Do you know, हर बात का जो इंसान हर बात का प्रूफ देने में लगा रहता है without even asking is the person who is not authentic or who is trying to prove his own point. Do you remember the first secret authenticity? कि बिना प्रूफ दिए सामने वाले को आपकी बात पे पता लग जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Then why you have to give a proof of everything every time?
See, Neeraj, as per your age limit, you are already 19 years, 2 months. So I believe, I'm sure this is the last time you have. This is your last attempt.
Yes, sir. Last attempt.
Tell me, Neeraj, by any chance, if you still do not get recommended this time also, then what is your plan for going forward in your life? What you plan to do? How you plan to navigate your life forward?
Yes. Sir, currently I'm doing my graduation, sir. So, sir, in my final year of graduation, when I will reach, sir, I will going to start my preparation for my CDS as well, and simultaneously I will also start my preparation for SSB. That's nice.
So,
देखो, आपके इस आंसर ने नीरज ये क्लियरली बता दिया मुझे एज एन आईओ को कि आप ये मान चुके हो कि ये वाला एसएसबी आपका नहीं होना. यू आर आउट. आई आस्क्ड यू अ क्वेश्चन. Consider if you do not make up this time, then what you will do. You didn't answer my first part of the question. You simply answered considering कि नहीं हुआ मेरा, कि मैं final year में करूँगा. Your answer could have been, sir, absolutely correct. Though it is my last attempt, but I don't think so that I will not going to make up because I have given my 110% for it, and I am sure that I will definitely going to make up. But still, as you are asked, to be very honest, if still by any chance the SSB demands me to do more improvement, I will not going to leave it because I'm so dedicated for my passion, which is Indian Armed Forces. I will certainly going to break myself in every possible way. Will going to improve myself in every possible way. And right now I'm in my college, and by the time I'll reach the final year, again I'll going to go through CDS, and definitely I'm going to get into it. because my goal is very clear. I am only for the forge, and that's what is my ultimate goal. This looks a very progressive answer, and with the answer you gave the point shooter answer of the question of the eye. और आपके आंसर ने तो क्लियर बता दिया कि आपने ही मान लिया कि इस बार आपका नहीं होगा. You have given the arms.
Sure, sir.
डाल दिया आपने. Got it? कितनी बड़ी ब्लंडर हुई है.
You don't want to leave the forge, like you don't want to try in the other corporate sector as well?
No, sir. So my first priority is forge, sir. Promise.
First priority is forge. And if I ask you, give me the one most strong reason why you want to be in forge, then what is that?
Yes, sir. Sir,
What is that? Give me one strong reason to be in forge.
childhood, sir. Sir, during my childhood, sir, a local newspaper came in my home, sir. And sir, my even grandfather told me something that see this guy became officer, like interest. So during their passing out prayers, suddenly their photos came in the local newspaper that each share ka officer like that, sir. Sir, from my 6th or 7th class, I usually developed my passion for the forces. And sir, when I
लो जी, फंस गए. क्या फंसे? बताओ क्या फंसे? क्या बोला अभी आपने? जस्ट
yes, sir. Sorry.
क्या बोला?
Earlier I was saying that I don't know ND up to my 10th, and now I'm saying that
6 मिनट 25 सेकंड पे आपने बोला, और अभी आधे घंटे बाद जाकर के आपकी पूरी कहानी पलट गई. आप कह रहे हो जी मैं तो 6ठी 7वीं से मेरा पैशन था, मैं तो जुनून सवार था मेरे अंदर फौज का. That means you are not authentic person. You are saying something and doing something. अभी आप कह रहे हो 6ठी 7वीं से मैं जुनून लेके बैठा था. फंस गया. तभी कहा था उस समय नोट कर लियो 6:25 पे. अभी बताऊंगा कहाँ बाद में जाके कहाँ पर जाकर के रंगे हाथ
कर ली. Joined my HIMA Academy school, so I came to know about my SSB as well, that there is some kind of thing SSB in the armed forces if you want to become an officer. So sir, I even focused my find from there, and sir, even girls from HIMA Academy, they are now officers. So sir, when they came back, they address us. So sir, that is a real motivation for me to see their personality, see their skills, and sir, it's not I think job, it's a way of life. Sir, everything in the forces is full of discipline, pride, honor, and respect. So not even you feel pride, honor, respect, but your family members, your society, your mother, father, even feels proud with you.
Wonderful, very good. Okay, Neeraj, quickly now in the end, just tell me, give me top 3 things about you which you are very good at and you can make anyone learn that. And what are the top 3 things which you really feel are missing in you and you really want to enhance and you really want to learn or you really want to work on?
Yes, sir. So my first thing is I am easily adjustable, sir. So because when I went to my new hostel, sir, eventually I am from a village background. So sir, for 1 to 2 days I found it difficult to manage myself, but sir, soon within 1 week I even manage myself with all the people. They are from different states. And, sir, I'm easily social adjustable, sir. And sir, 2 things that sir, I'm very cooperative, sir. Even my brother used to cooperate with me, and I also cooperate with my brother. Sir, and my 3rd thing is that sir, I always motivate my friends for their aim, and they always motivate for me. Because sir, lot of aspirants who are preparing with me for my NDA and for SSB as well. So sir, we gave when we feel sad that we are not doing this, we are not doing this. So sir, I really motivate them by giving such.
देखो आपने आंसर में कितनी अनक्लैरिटी है. I just asked you 3 things. You could have simply answered number 1 this, number 2 this, number 3 this. इतना कंफ्यूज होकर के इतने प्रेशर में पूरी खिचड़ी पका दी तुमने इस क्वेश्चन की.
Type of examples like so sir, I even my motivate others for their aim that for their journey.
So these are the 3 best things? What are those three things which you feel you really need to work on and you have to enhance yourself and learn?
Yes, sir. My first thing is, sir, my English. Sir. English is my not so good. Sir, I even feel that I need to really improve my English. That is a foremost important thing in armed forces. That is your communication skills. And sir, my second thing is that, sir, I'm a little bit aggressive, sir, sometimes. So, sir, I need to really work on it because, sir, when sir, any
अब यहाँ आप फिर फंस गए. आपने कहा कुछ ना कुछ आंसर देना. What you said, I am little aggressive. Now it is again a big question mark and big problem that if you are an aggressive, then you have now put a biggest question mark on you.
निकल गया सर ऐसे मुंह से.
Yes, see, there is no mandate. You could have simply said, sir, as per my best introspection, what I am able to figure out till now is English is one of my biggest challenge, and otherwise I don't find any kind of a weakness in myself to the best of myself. जितना मुझे पता है. Simple. Say it clearly.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, any and when I third one, that's
I congratulate. Enjoy your stay at the SSB and congratulations to you and the best of luck.
Thank you.
All right. So this finalizes and this ends up the analysis of the mock PA. So now, first of all, tell me, gentlemen, पूरे analysis के बाद कितना current लगा है या नहीं लगा? क्या हुआ? How you are feeling? Let me first of all know that.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, sir, the shortcomings you told me in this mock
Shortcoming.
Yes, sir.
First of all,
I already wrote shortcomings, sir. Already all.
Okay. With this all, tell me which are those precise shortcomings which you were not able to do the self-analysis when you did it at your own, which I asked you to. What was new thing which you missed, or you covered
Sir,
all?
First of all, sir, I am not cheerful. I am taking a lot of pressure that it's my interview. So I'm not smiling as well. So that's my biggest shortcoming. And sir, for some, like most of the time, I'm not precise to my answers. I'm getting too much expressive, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. And sir, that you said that NDA till I can.
You are not getting too much expressive. You are trying to prove your point and in a pressure. Don't call it as too expressive. You're saying it wrongly. You have analyzed it wrongly. You are trying to prove your point somehow because you're feeling insecure and you are under a strong pressure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? पूरे analysis के जा करके थोड़ा सा यहाँ current लगा?
Yes, sir.
See, this is after grilling you people so much and you have been seeing others got grilled so much. Then this is the result. Can you see this? When you are sitting on the hot chair, then this is the result outcome.
Yes, sir.
Clear hai? Is that fine?
Yes. Yes, sir.
All right. So can I look forward to get these things on the correction?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sir. Most importantly, don't take any pressure. If you will not take any pressure, a lot of problems will automatically get sorted. Right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Wonderful. So this was the mock PI analysis of one of the aspirant of SSB recommendation blueprint journey, one of our dedicated aspirant, Neeraj. And I'm sure all of you have got a very strong, insightful learnings. And this overall analysis must have blown you off the way it has blown off the candidate himself. So what I really want you to do is go forward and whatever your top learnings that you have learned from this analysis, the crux of that learning, write in the comment box. And I would personally going to review that how much you have grabbed for this, right? And finally, if you are already a part of the family of how to crack SSB, the SSB recommendation blueprint journey, great. Then keep moving forward on your journey because your point has to come when you will be also grilled. So I really want you to get prepared after going with the full ragda. And by any chance, if you are someone who is really aspiring to get into Indian Armed Forces and still not a part of it, go forward. Below in the description, the link is there. Just be a part of the community, be a part of this overall journey SSB recommendation blueprint, and just enroll yourself, and we'll love to see you within this community. All right. Thank you, everyone. And looking forward to see all of you as a part of this community.